Welcome to the Systems Thinker video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal, whether you're working with projects, production, or maintenance. There are non-living systems and living systems. Let's take a closer look at both. We will often talk about the air conditioning system, the IT system, music system, the flight control system, and the like. What they all have in common is that when they break, we need to repair them. By contrast, living systems, such as a human being, the Amazon rainforest, or a business, are complex and adaptive. When something happens, the responses are not simple, and they adapt. Lose your sight, and your hearing improves. Stop unsustainable logging, and the forest will regenerate. Delight your customers, and may profit grow. As you continuously develop your awareness in the systems thinker, you come to appreciate how systems govern our life, work, and play, from the cosmos down to the atom. Giving privacy to the whole is always the key to developing a deeper understanding and sharper insights into what's really going on. That's your tip: better ways to do better work, redefine what's possible.